I will start the application by running the main file project.py. If I go to View Checklists, it says that there are no checklists yet. So I'll enter N to create a new checklist. We can create a checklist from one of these already existing templates. So let's try the basic to-dos template by entering the corresponding ID. I will add a new item, let's say washing dishes, but I will leave the completed column blank. That's what will mark the completion of the item, and I will add some more. Now, let's say that I've completed my first task, so I'll update it. I don't want to change the task, but I will update the completed status as done. This template allows me also to mark an item as failed. Let's take a look at a more interesting template. But first, notice how these shortcuts for each page of the application are listed here in additional commands. So, how about the movies to watch template? Here we can see that we have more columns to complete. And when I add my rate, it's displayed as star emojis. Isn't that fun? As you can see, all this information is being saved in CSV files. Now I will load some dummy data so you can better appreciate the functionality and styling of the templates. Here I have a good amount of movies. I can enter S to sort them, and I will choose my rate as the column to sort. Now they're ordered based on my rating, and I can easily identify which ones I haven't seen, but I could choose whatever column I want for sorting and even return to sort them by the ID. This one is the Work Tasks template. It includes a priority column and a due date, which clearly indicates if the original deadline has expired. The templates also apply some validation for each integrated data type. So for instance, I can't introduce a date in the past as a due date or choose anything outside of the specified options. These are the basic functionalities that CmDone offers, but you can also create your own templates, naming each column as you wish, while choosing any of the integrated column data types for it. You can read more about this, as well as how to delete checklists or templates in the README file in the repository. I hope you liked my project, and I guess this one is done.